Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing a legitimate payment card and confirming the exact billing address on file with your bank. This prevents declines. Sign into the Google account you use for Play Store purchases, then open the Play Store app and go to Menu, Payments and Subscriptions, and Payment Methods. Once done, tap Add Payment Method to start the secure flow. Make sure your card is enabled for online and international transactions, because many declines happen when cards lack online authorization. Next, carefully enter the card number, expiration date, and CVV exactly as printed. Small typos cause verification failures. Use the billing address that matches your bank record, including apartment or unit numbers, because mismatched addresses often trigger declines. Once entered, choose to save the card to Google Pay for faster future checkouts and added encryption. If offered, enable two-factor authentication on your Google account to protect payment details and reduce fraud flags. Finally, verify the card by approving a small authorization charge or completing the SMS verification your bank may send. Once the method verifies, make a low-cost purchase to confirm it works in Play Store. If a transaction is declined, contact your bank to check for fraud blocks, daily limits, or international restrictions, and then retry. If problems persist, use an alternative legitimate card, add Google Play Balance, or contact Google support to resolve account-specific payment issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.